Unlike early newspapers, which initially appealed to the wealthy elite, movies found their largest audience among the poor and the working class, especially the millions of immigrants flooding into America's industrial cities. These newcomers, working long hours in factories, flocked to this new form of escape that was cheap, accessible, and most importantly, didn't require a word of English. Moving pictures, shortened to just movies by the 1910s, were shown in small theaters called Nickelodeons, named for the price most working people could afford, a nickel. Owned mostly by immigrant entrepreneurs, these theaters showed films that were about 15 to 20 minutes in length. By 1909, nearly 10,000 Nickelodeons dotted American cities and towns. They flourished until about 1915, when they were replaced by larger, more ornate movie palaces. Early movies had a unifying appeal to the masses: accessibility. Newspapers of the time demanded literacy, and most required English fluency. Movies demanded neither. These silent films cut across language barriers, letting a Polish steelworker, Italian seamstress, and German baker all share the same entertainment. But there was nothing really silent about the movie experience. Packed into cramped theaters, audiences watched films accompanied by live piano, singers, and even sound effects performed right there in the theater. It was a raucous, thrilling social experience. In an era of deep ethnic divisions and rapid social change, movies became a kind of democratic mass medium, entertainment for the people, at a price most could afford. Thomas Edison saw the commercial possibilities of movies and wanted total control. He forced competitors to license his cameras, threatened distributors who worked with rivals, and backed up these tactics with an arsenal of legal patents. Edison was a visionary, but he had a dark side. He claimed credit for others' work and used lawsuits to crush competition, even going so far as to proclaim himself to be the father of the motion picture. In 1908, Edison formed the Motion Picture Patents Company, known as the Trust, and gained a complete monopoly over American film production. Want to make or distribute a movie? You had to pay Edison. Filmmakers had other plans. As Edison's grip tightened, they began fleeing the East Coast for the West, landing mostly in Los Angeles, where Edison's patents were harder to enforce. According to lore, filmmakers working in dubious legal circumstances liked being close to the border. If law enforcement came to enforce Edison's patents, filmmakers could quickly escape to Mexico. While Los Angeles offered something far more valuable than legal refuge: sunshine, and lots of it. Early cameras needed bright, natural light, and Southern California provided year-round outdoor shooting, unlike the dreary Northeast. Aspiring filmmakers and studios settled in and around the Hollywood neighborhood, whose name would become synonymous with American movie making. Just as the West Coast became America's filmmaking capital, Edison's empire crumbled. In 1915, a federal court ruled that his Motion Picture Patents Company was an illegal monopoly under the Sherman Antitrust Act and ordered it broken up. With Edison's trust gone, creativity flourished. Yet, the profit-making potential of the movies would invite new systems of control in the coming decades, with the coming rise of powerful movie moguls and Hollywood studios.